Can you believe it? With just a small kitchen spoon, you can peel a whole pineapple without getting your hands sticky, without using a sharp knife, and without wasting any of the fruit's flesh. It may sound unbelievable, but today I'm going to share the simplest way to handle this thorny fruit quickly, cleanly, and extremely effectively. Welcome to Great Tips, where I share smart, simple kitchen tips that will save you time and effort while keeping your dishes fresh and nutritious. Pineapple, the fruit known as the king of fruits, is not only delicious, but also contains a lot of nutrients. However, its rough appearance makes many people hesitate to buy whole pineapples to peel at home. Most people will choose to buy pre-cut pineapples, even though they will not be fresh and even unhygienic. So today, I will share with you a very simple and clean method to peel pineapple without touching the flesh. With just a spoon with a slightly curved handle, you will find peeling pineapple easier than ever. And even better, with this method, you not only save time, but also keep the sweet yellow flesh intact instead of losing layers like before. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Part 1. Prepare the pineapple, clean from the start. Before we start peeling, I want to emphasize one very important thing. You need to wash the pineapple thoroughly. Don't think that dry pineapple skin is clean. The skin can have dirt, soil, and even insect eggs that are invisible to the naked eye, especially pineapples bought at the market or supermarket. If you don't wash it thoroughly, you will feel uncomfortable when eating it. Now, let's get started. First, prepare the pandan leaves. Place the pineapple horizontally on a cutting board and use a small knife to cut off the sharp leaves on both sides. No need to cut too close, just trim them neatly. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Keep the middle leaves to use as handles later. It sounds simple, but it is very useful. Holding the leaves will help you peel the pineapple without getting it sticky and avoid irritation from the pineapple sap, especially for those with sensitive skin. Next, wash the pineapple. Many people skip this step, but for me, it is a must. The pineapple skin has many grooves, where bacteria and dirt can easily stick. Washing thoroughly is the best way to protect the health of the whole family. Just put the pineapple under strong running water. If you have a soft brush or a vegetable brush, use it to scrub the pineapple skin in the natural spiral to clean it better. If your tap water is weak, soak the pineapple in a basin of water for about 3 to 5 minutes, then scrub. You will see the water is a bit cloudy and foamy. That is the wax layer and dirt being washed away. Just a few minutes of rinsing will make you feel the pineapple is cool, clean, and no longer feels gritty like before. And most importantly, you will feel much safer when eating. How do you usually wash pineapples? Do you use a brush like me? If you have a better tip, please share. Part 2. Peeling. No stickiness, no waste. After washing and draining, now it's time to start peeling. Remember the pandan leaves I kept earlier? Now it comes in handy. I hold the leaves like a handle, then stand the pineapple upright on the cutting board. This grip helps keep it steady, makes peeling easier, and prevents the sap from sticking. Pineapple sap is very sticky and can cause skin irritation, so not touching the flesh is a big advantage. Now I just use a regular knife, peeling from top to bottom, following the natural curve of the fruit. Just peel the outer skin, no need to peel deep. Right under the skin is the sweetest part of the flesh. If you peel too deep, it will be a waste. Be persistent in peeling around the fruit. If you are right-handed, you can rotate the pineapple counterclockwise to make it easier. There is absolutely nothing complicated. Just hold the leaves firmly, move the knife gently and evenly. What I like most about this method is that my hands never touch the flesh. No water splashes, no sticky sap, no need to wipe my hands many times. Even the cutting board is quite clean, very neat. And did you notice, because I peeled each layer thinly, the pineapple still kept its beautiful round shape, not jagged like when using a big knife. Just looking at the finished product, you can see the golden shiny beauty, making people want to eat it right away. If you have ever been afraid to peel pineapple because you are afraid of getting dirty or don't know where to start, I hope this method will help you feel more confident and comfortable. Part 3. Remove pineapple eyes with a spoon. Fast, clean, no waste. After peeling, the most annoying part is definitely the pineapple eyes. Small brown dots scattered all over the fruit. Just looking at them makes me feel embarrassed because the pineapple eyes are deep and quite hard. If you use a knife to cut each eye, it will take a long time and the knife will easily slip and cause injury. Many people choose to cut the whole layer of meat around the eyes, but this wastes a lot of the sweet meat near the shell. So today, I will show you a gentler, faster, and cleaner way using a rice spoon. That's right, just a slightly pointed and flat spoon handle is best. How to do it. Hold the pineapple in your non-dominant hand. Then use the spoon handle, not the spoon, to gently press it diagonally on the edge of the eye, not directly in the middle. Tilt the spoon slightly, then gently rotate it in a circle. The pineapple eye will pop out very easily. Do it quickly and keep the surrounding flesh intact. The first time I tried it, I was very surprised because I didn't think that I could remove the pineapple eyes with just a spoon like that. Try it with me. I guarantee you will like it from the first time. Just repeat the operation. Tilt the spoon. Rotate gently. Remove the eyes. With a little patience and fun background music, you will find that removing the pineapple eyes becomes relaxing. Result. After removing all the eyes, the pineapple is still intact, no holes, looks very nice and neat. Part 4. Cut the pineapple into small pieces. Neat, easy to eat, and beautiful. After peeling and removing the eyes, this is my favorite part. Cutting the pineapple into small, easy-to-eat pieces. Place the pineapple horizontally on a cutting board and cut into 1 centimeter rounds, or whatever thickness you like. This way, you can cut without touching the flesh, very clean and non-sticky. If you want smaller pieces, you can divide the rounds into smaller pieces. Personally, I like to eat it whole. It's both juicy and delicious. Do you eat pineapple often? Pineapple contains the enzyme bromelain, which aids digestion and reduces inflammation. It's also rich in vitamin C, which helps boost immunity and beautify the skin. In addition, pineapple also contains powerful antioxidants, which help fight aging and protect cells. So, we should eat pineapple regularly. And that's it. In less than 10 minutes, from start to finish, you have a plate of fresh, clean, and beautiful golden pineapple. No special tools, no complicated techniques, just a knife, a spoon, and a little bit of skill. Do you like peeling pineapples more? No more worrying about sticky plastic, no more wasting sweetmeat or being confused when looking at a pile of pineapple eyes. Because now you have a smart, clean, and easy way to do it, anyone can do it the first time. Sometimes in the everyday kitchen, just a little trick can completely change the cooking experience and the way you take care of your family. If you found today's video helpful, don't hesitate to comment below. How do you usually peel pineapples? If you have any other tips, feel free to share them in the comments. I love learning more useful tips from you. If you love simple and easy to apply tips like this, be sure to subscribe to Great Tips so you don't miss out on future videos, where we continue to discover interesting and useful things right in the kitchen. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the next video, where cooking becomes easier, more fun, and more inspiring than ever.